Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Arsalan and you are watching Arsalan Tutorials. So today we will be discussing about how you can find average of your data in MS Excel 2013 version. So I have some data mentioned over here, and let me just clear this. Now I will be showing you how to you can find average. Now I will be discussing two methods of finding average in this video. The first one is the most simplest. You just press the equals to key on your keyboard and type average. Now double click on this average. Make sure to double click on this average and then highlight the data which you want to find the average of. Sorry about that. And then press enter. You will find your average. Now the second method of doing this is also very simple. You just click on the cell where you want the answer to be shown. Then you go up here and select average, then highlight the data you want to take the average of, and then press enter again. So in any case, both the cases both are simple, and now it's up to you which you prefer. Both are simple and both are easy to use. Now that's it for today. I hope you like it. If you do like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel Arsalan Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.